Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily post to multiple accounts at once on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then you need to be sure that you logged into your multiple accounts. In order to do that, just hit at your profile icon and then tap here at the username. As you can see, I've logged into my 3 different accounts. The first one is checkmarked. That means that that specific account is active now, and you can switch in any of your accounts in that simple way. So once you did that, all you have to do is just start creating a post. Hit right here at plus sign, then select post, then just pick some photo from your gallery, let it be that one, then hit on next again, and on that step you can easily find a post to other Instagram accounts, and then you can just enable those accounts where you want to post this picture to, and also right here you can share this post also on Facebook by toggling on this feature, and in the same way you can enable sharing on Twitter and on Tumblr if you have linked to Twitter and Tumblr profiles with your Instagram accounts. And in order to share the post, just hit right here at share to share it with your followers and friends. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.